Sorry to interrupt you. I want to ask you a quick question about that. Because as I thought about that yesterday, you and I, we were here for that case when it went to trial. Our watchers may know who the shooter was in that Parkland case. But do you think the average American would know who he was? If you showed him a picture of the guy, so let's say this guy had a shiner, he had a picture of the guy on the wall, the young guy, and he goes in the room and he sees the picture up there, do you think he would know that was the Parkland shooter?
I didn't think about it until you just said it. You know what? Yeah, I assumed that he would know, but you know what? That's a good point. Maybe he didn't know. And maybe he didn't know. Maybe he had no idea who that person was. And if that's the case and he didn't know, then I give that back in his favor that, hey, I had no idea. He might have been kids worship rock stars, they worship athletes. I have no idea. So that I don't know. It does matter, actually. It really does matter, and I'm interested to see what happens with that element, because that is important, in my opinion. If he knew that it was the Parkland shooter and his son was worshiping him, I think he's guilty of the charges of at least involuntary manslaughter.
Yeah,
but if he didn't know, I would change my mind.